Find the host computer line and signal line. The following operations should be performed under power-off condition. Remove the plug. Find the signal adapter cable. Plug in the part with only one plug. Then find the part with two plugs and connect the plug with the same hole as the one just removed. Then find the host computer cable. Connect the remaining end to the host computer cable and plug the USB port into the computer. Turn on the scanner, laser. Copy and paste the file sent to your D drive. You can also choose not to copy it. Double-click to open the file. Double-click the first program. Select a suitable location to install and click the second driver to install it after the installation is complete. Close the window after the installation is successful. Double-click to open the software. Select the serial port number and click Connect. Change the external mode to internal mode and click OK. Open the shutter, then turn on the light output and observe whether there is light coming out of the gun tip. When closing, you need to turn off the shutter and light. Change the internal mode to external mode. Disconnect and close the window.